Hi everyone. Did you know that the sanitary pads that exist in the market today are extremely unhealthy? They contain 90% plastic, which increases the moisture buildup and humidity levels, leading to bacterial vaginosis and yeast infections. They also have added fragrance and chemicals which reacts with the blood and causes bad odor. They've also been bleached artificially white, that is not a natural color, which releases a chemical called dioxin, which has been termed by WHO as an environmental pollutant. This can enter our bloodstream and survive there for over 7 to 11 years, causing complications with our liver and reproductive health. My name is Snigdha, and I am the co founder of Nari Cloth Pads, which aims to bring in the concept of circular consumption to menstruation. The idea for Nari was actually inspired by my mother, who has been a vocal advocate for zero waste and minimalist living all her life. She using the cloth actually inspired me to find an alternative which is more modern for the modern world of today. So we make reusable and washable cloth pads for the modern world of today. It's been a year since I started this venture, and the response has been mind blowing. Not only are women seeking better and healthier alternatives to the pads that exist in the market, they also find it more comfortable and easy to use. Nari pads are made with 100% cotton, which is all natural and dyed using organic vegetable colors. We use a leak proof layer that is made out of gum, which ensures that the pad remains spot free for over 6 hours. The current existing practice in the market today is to use a PUL layer, which is a derivative of plastic, basically meaning polyurethane laminate, and this does not biodegrade. The Nari pad is 100% biodegradable. We also use a special diaper cloth which ensures that the pad absorbs the blood and blood clots and does not give a wet feeling instantaneously. We also have our pads in both light and dark shades. One second. This is both the light and dark shades of the pad so that the people can use anything that they're most comfortable with. Our pads also come in three different versions, that is the Joy, Bloom, and Light collection, which aims to cater to different segments and different age groups in society. This is one of our pads, which is basically a foldable pad, which looks like a handkerchief and it can be easily worn and easily dried. Each Nari pad lasts for over 2 years. Personally, as a regular plastic pad user all my life, this shift has actually opened up my eyes towards the conditioning we have towards menstruation in India. We with innovative designs and catering to different age groups, what we aim to be is a strong alternatives to the existing single-use products in the market today. Eventually, we want to be able to reach out to all people who menstruate and provide them a viable alternative to a healthier and an eco-friendlier product. Uh, I also want to expand our product offerings to menstrual cups and discs, which are also reusable products, and have a setup over here which manufactures this in India and be able to reach out to many more people in this space. Guidance from eminent scholars in IIMB will help me reach this journey much more faster. Thank you, and I wait for your positive response.